week 3 and 4, the throughput is better. Am I right? But what happens? They completed a very complex item between week 4 and 5. Think. Very interesting. In order to get these insights, that means number of items cannot tell you, give you the exact throughput.
I was about to ask this question next.
Yes.
So
yes.
based on the complexity,
Yes,
it differs.
Exactly. That is the reason. That means when you compare throughput, that will give you the trigger point. Okay, why team has completed this many items? You need to go for your daily stand-up meeting, retrospective with all these data points. Show them the data points. And when you work in this way, see, you can work with multiple assignments at a time. And you don't need to micromanage or chase or run behind team. That is the whole idea. Apply tools and lead a transformation or change, whatever. Right? Make sense? Are you with me? Fair enough? Right? All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for bearing me. All right. So how's your learning? The whole learning, the practitioner, outcome practitioner learning.
It was good. Actually, I felt the way we were thinking is very limited. It was very limited earlier. Now the way, I mean, the whole process of, change or transformation became so easy now comparatively.
Thank you very much, Rashmi. So what are the things you are going to implement?
First, I will be going back to the PO, possibly going back to the higher management and understanding what is lacking. And then ask them, give me opportunities to collectively coach the Scrum Masters, probably in terms of improvising or, delivery service, basically.
Makes sense. Absolute
right,
sense.
yeah.
I think delivery excellence, many things.
But yeah, so I have to start with experimenting, as you said.
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. And all right, over to Sudha.
Yeah, so Dilip, gives a very broader perspective of how we think as a Scrum Master. Our activities were very limited to what we were doing, but now since it gives a broader perspective, we can look through the process and see where we can improve and then increase our outcome or better our outcome. And then obviously, as you said, what should we start with? Definitely matrices, because that is something we are just blindly doing for now. And most of the matrices are not even so helpful for management to take decisions. So we have to come up with actual better matrices that can help the management to give a better perspective to what we are actually doing and how we can improve ourselves process-wise, and to bring outcomes to the table and show it to the client that this is what we can do better. So yeah, but of course you have to start with experimenting with different ideas that you have thrown to us, and then see which one suits our project better.
Yes. Absolutely, yes. And we can start seeing the agile assignment as a series of statistical hypothesis and
experiments. Exactly as you said.
Exactly. And Shamla, please go ahead.
So I have already discussed so much with you, Dilip, and what I understand, the main takeaway is stop focusing on managing and playing with people mindset and start focusing on the system. And the first thing I would like to do is to understand the upstream operations, what is going on there, and then try to streamline the downstream process, and then provide the required coaching to the team. on how to become data driven.
Yes.
So that is where we can bring out the real outcome. So a lot of things to be changed, and yeah, and this was
Right.
really
I think
most of the things were I would say it's an eye opener for me. Like some things you don't even aware of. Okay, this is how it is, and this is what it is. So
right.
that's something really good that we got to attend this training.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. In fact, giving me an opportunity to serve you, because that's the whole objective. Because, again, touching the lives with education. That's a whole vision. In fact, yeah, that's what the outcome we are trying to achieve. And learning, yes, wise, it's completed, but see, I am ready to provide, am available to provide constant support, which is more important, and go through all the challenges, prioritize, and come up with the top 3 experiments that we can do. And most challenging, and of course, something you can give a quick win. And let's start with that, because everything starts with that simple step. Fair enough, nothing much to do, because otherwise, it's just opportunities. And we are fortunate to get opportunity to work in the knowledge sector as a knowledge worker, especially in IT. And as I said earlier, you decide your retirement age. You have plenty of opportunities around you. You decide. And that's how it is. And I'm ready to support in any way to achieve faster career growth and financial growth. All right. Thank you very much. And enjoy the session. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I know I hijacked, but it's good for you. And that's our objective.
It was worth it.
Yeah, we have to lose something to gain something. So yeah, it was worth it. Yeah, thanks, Dilip.
All right, then. Thank you.
Thanks, Dilip.
Bye.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.